Hello all. Um, as you probably guessed from some of the videos I've put on my channel, as one of my hobbies I have model photography. And I got offered a coupon from a company called Saal Digital, the Netherlands, because I live in the Netherlands. And that coupon allowed me to create a photo album from their professional life. And they asked for my honest opinion, so that's exactly what they will get. Saal Digital is international, so I'm taping this video in English, so people from other countries where Saal Digital is present can view this one also and learn from it what they wish to learn. Well, there is a lot of video about these albums because Saal works very hard to create a presence on social media, and I have not watched them, but the general idea I get is that people try several kinds of albums, but I was looking for something that is a little bit different. Maybe there are also a lot of people who choose this, but still, I went for a classic portfolio. In the days, and even now still, there are paper portfolios which photographer or model shows their work. Back then, not that long ago, about 8 to 10 years ago, there were some standards that it had to fulfill. And I kept those standards in mind when I created this one. I will give you the standards. It's a simple outside, and then you present about 20 of your photos on A4 format and in matte, because the colors then are more realistic. So with that in mind, I created an album. So keep in mind, I created a classic portfolio according to standards that are around the photography world for that. Because I had a nice budget and I chose simple designs, I had some spare pages. I could put in about 40 pages of photos, so needing only 20 for myself, I created a double portfolio for Pim, also because Pim also has model photography as a hobby. So it's a kind of mixed portfolio, but the first part is 20 photos from me and the second part is 20 photos from Pim. So it's a little bit not done, because normally in a classic portfolio you present your own work, but still, being Dutch and having leftover budget, I spent it on some extra pages, so Pim and I could share a portfolio. Well, after I ordered it, it took about, let's see, a few days to arrive, because I believe it came from abroad. I believe it was Germany. This is what it looks like. And this should be a classic album, photo album, with a kind of linen cover, very simple, but I have put on a print on it, because an empty linen cover is so boring. With 40 pages with matte photos, and it's A4 size. So I will pause this one and then continue with some unboxing. I stopped it because, you know, I'm always very spontaneous, but the problem is an unboxing can be done only once. At least if you work like me and want to be honest and spontaneous, you can't make a mistake in taping the unboxing and then have to do it over again. I feel that would be less spontaneous and put in scene like that. So I had to pause a little to relax a little bit and check if I would need a scissor. But it seems there's a pull strip, so I don't need a scissor. Let's see. Here you are. Still looking at it. Battery is still okay, and I'm recording. Okay, double check. Let's pull it out. It's very tight in the... maybe I should... Well, I can say it's very tight in the box. As you can see, it takes me some time. Here it comes, here it comes. Okay. Oh, by the way, you could order a nice box around it because it's also meant for example, wedding photographers to create photo albums for their clients, and then you can create a beautiful gift box around. But as I said, I went for the classic portfolio, and they are normally not in nice boxes. So this is it. As you can see, it's put in a plastic size protection, and it's in cardboard, so it's well protected. Okay, ooh, let's see. You will be. I will view through the screen what it will be. Okay, let's see. Okay, you are the first one who see it clearly. I hope it looks good. I now have to view with my eyes. Very, very, very nice. Here you are. Look, this is the classic portfolio. You could use all kinds of colors of this fake leather. And as I said, it's one of the simplest versions they offer for professional albums. And of course, also at the back there is a nice print. You could create your own prints, for example, the logo here probably, but I have chosen, because we are hobby photographers and don't have a real logo, I've chosen for a nice standard picture, which they have a lot of. So, and the text also you can choose, and I've chosen this color because there is a slight, these, I don't know if you can see, but these two are in the same color as the text. So here we are, a simple bound portfolio on the outside. And now we'll look inside, and I will see it through the screen, so you will be kind of the first one who see it well, and I have to look with my eyes again because the screen is a little bit small. And okay, very exciting. Okay, I don't know if I will take the time to do a complete walkthrough with you, but give you an idea. So the first page, let's see. Okay, they start immediately, as you can see, at the first page. So this is the idea. And although it's a little bit shiny on because I'm filming with the daylight streaming in, it looks very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. I will now look with my eyes. I was already sneaking. Excellent, excellent. Beautiful. I'm very happy with it. As I said, I've chosen for matte, although because of the way I'm filming it, probably it will not come across because I have some light shining in. But anyway, picture this literally and figuratively as matte photos. And I will, this will be a nice way to show you a little bit. Okay, the next, oh, the paper is, let's see, as you can see, it's cardboard-like. So it's thick paper. Oh, and by the way, I have chosen to go for the thinnest paper. You can also choose to go for thicker paper. So it's kind of the simplest version there was. So keep that in mind. But for a portfolio that is, I hope you can still see it. What I can do is I will try to move my camera and figure out a way to show it without some light showing on it. So let's. Well, I have moved my camera, and of course a lot of people would cut and pretend everything went perfectly. But as you probably get to know from me, I am just honest about how not perfect in reality internet videos are. Okay, let's take, oh, upside down. Oh, I should not have said that because I'm hoaxing it. Okay, so again a false flash. Now you can maybe see better without some glaring. Okay, and these are the second ones. The first part is mine. I'm very happy. It's almost like fairy tale how the pictures come across. Still there's a little bit of glaring, but it's better than I think the other views. So keep in mind, this is not Matt's matte. Some creepier photos. As you see, all kinds of photos work out well. And it's quite sturdy, well bound. I hope the light is still enough to get an idea. These are from Pim. So this is Pim's work starting now. Okay. It's new, so the pages are stuck together a little bit now. Oh, by the way, I was a model once, and when the model could not make it for our shoot, and we had a makeup artist who was willing to work with us without cost in exchange for portfolio material. I took the place of the model, and I'm wearing a grey long wig here, so it's not my own hair. Anyway, okay, you will see a photo later because Pim also has some chosen to put in a photo of me. Not this, of course. Okay. This is the fine art style, which Pim fought a course for. But he had to do he made picture in a certain location, but he had to do all the editing himself. So it's his home creation. And later I was his victim to do it at home. And this is me in steampunk, I think 1 or 2 years ago, in fine art style. And the last photo is also stuck with glue to the cover. So as you can see, a nice, very nice classic portfolio. And if you do it for yourself, you have about half the thickness of this one, which is kind of what they recommend. They recommend to put in a certain amount, so it will be optimal. But of course you are very free to add some more pages. But they give an idea what works ultimately best. As far as I can say, I am very, very happy with it. As I said, I promise to give you my honest opinion. It seems solid, and normally if a back binding is weak, you see immediately that it starts to split here, and although it makes a little bit of sound because it's new, of course, it seems to be very, very firmly bound. So firm, and as you can see, it works like kind of this. It's bound here, and then it has some space. So this is the way it's bound. And yes, it makes some sound, but it's completely new, of course. And the fake leather, also very nice quality. And as I said, you could probably put your whole own logo here if you are professional, and design it completely. And I have worked, as I said, I am creative and I have some computer skills, but I use their editing program that they provide, with preset layouts and preset styles, etc. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!